a trade show for small and mid-sized firms in Osaka. Drawing an especially large number of visitors is this booth.
It's fantastic. It's interesting.
The product that has everyone talking is this. Not the pressure gauge, but the white tube-shaped part. Priced at $200 to $280 each, they've already been ordered by the factories of Toray and Toyota Auto Body. The company expects production of 10,000 units and sales of about $2 million in the next business year. Why the interest from major corporations?
It can be easily fitted on gauges and make them digital. That's why we're thinking of adopting them.
A small component that can digitalize analog instruments. It was developed by Kobata Gauge Manufacturing with just 16 employees. The company was founded in 1909. It's a long-standing manufacturer of instruments such as gauges to measure steam from ship boilers, which were also used on the Yamato warship. The basic structure of pressure gauges hasn't changed in more than a century, but they're still widely used thanks to the low cost and durability. However, they also need to be visually checked, and with the labor shortage now, digitalization has been a major challenge. Developed in response is Salta. Installation is simple. The glass covering of the pressure gauge is removed and a magnet is fixed on the axis of the pointer. Then, attached on top is Salta, which comes equipped with its own resin glass cover.
The black chip in the center is the magnetic sensor.
The magnetic sensor detects the angle of the pointer from the movement of the magnet, wirelessly transmitting data to a computer. A hospital in Osaka has adopted Salta for its oxygen cylinders. The position of the pointer of the oxygen cylinders is read and then displayed on a smartphone. Until recently, staff needed to go on site to carry out checks, but now they can monitor them remotely. Even so, can't they just replace them with digital gauges without having to go through the trouble of attaching a different instrument?
Digital instruments have to have a power source, and it might be necessary to carry out electrical construction, which is costly and takes time and effort.
Salta is powered by a coin battery that lasts about a year. As data is sent wirelessly, there's absolutely no need to install electrical wires. Seeing those advantages, an oil refinery has started practical trials of
This is the explosion prevention Salta.
It's an explosion prevention Salta designed to mitigate fire and blasts. Factories dealing with flammable materials face fire risks, and caution is needed when installing electrical wires. As a result, digitalization has been slow.
We have 1,400 units of just analog gauges.
Japan produces more than 10 million pressure gauges every year, underpinning potential demand.
I saw Mr. Kobata taking part in technological exchanges with SMEs and collecting the latest information. He told the participants what he envisioned for Salta, explaining what the sensor is and how the acquired data is controlled and transmitted. And ultimately, he was able to establish a development partnership with several SMEs. Taking a new invention from 0 to 1 is difficult, but by combining various elements, we can generate new value and apply that to various fields.